Welcome back to Deck Trains. It's week 89 of looking at a different train set every week. And yes, this is it, the sad time, the finale of the USA N-Scale trains. So today we feature from Minitrix, number 2016, the U30C diesel of the Louisville and Nashville Railway. It's going to be pulling an Atlas number 2335, Missouri, Kansas, and Texas Boxcar, a Lifelike number 7747, Louisville and Nashville 3-bay coal hopper, an Atlas number 2288, Toledo, Peoria, and Western double-door boxcar, an AHM 2201, Florida East Coast Speedway boxcar, and Bachmann's number 5085, Minneapolis and St. Louis 4-bay hopper. General Electric built over 600 of these U units between 1966 and 1976. Just a general purpose engine designed for heavy industry, mixed freight, and coal drags. The government even used one for the unique application of supplying power to their Pueblo, Colorado test tracks before they had a connection to the local power grid. These modern diesels were more creative in terms of horsepower, this one 3,000, than speed, but our unit runs at a scale 45.52 miles an hour, that's 73.29 kilometers per hour at 50% power. I cannot find any documented speeds of the real thing. I'm sure it's out there somewhere, but I can't find it yet. Our quick part 2 features the Bachmann number 62999 PTC trolley. 4,586 of these presidential conference car trolley cars were built between 1935 and 1952. They were designed with a top speed of 50 miles per hour, that's 80 kilometers per hour, and held up to 61 sitting passengers. And if you ever have been on one, you'll know there's plenty of space for standing passengers too. Most were withdrawn from service by 1990. However, many are coming back as legacy units in major cities across the USA. This unit in scale form runs 30.25 miles per hour at only 50% power. Please join us next week as we get back to Deutschland and a German branch line freight unit. Hope you enjoyed this week's episode, and thank you for watching.